It's time to rip and tear and to tear down the K8. Yeah. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. And in today's video we are going to do a little bit of a rip and tear with the K8. Let's see what's inside this little meme machine from China. So taking it apart is pretty damn simple. We're going to need a screwdriver. So we're going to remove this card. And if you turn it around, you have 4 little feet. They're already removed. Did it before making this video. So stick it in and unscrew. So if you're done, you can just basically lift up this case. That's it. If you turn it around, here you can see this button is still stuck in the casing itself, but I'm not going to remove it. We have this little dust valve or dust protector. Alright, this is the layout. I'm going to do a little close-up view. What are we going to get? So the PCB board itself is pretty damn basic. It's nothing special. As we can see here, it's made in 2018. We're having here on and off switch, reset. This piece of plastic, I can remove it if I want, so there's not a big problem. The 2 controller ports and a small LED. Alright people, what can we find on this main board? It's pretty damn tiny, so it's not very special. Here we can find the ribbon cable that comes from the front board to the main board. And here we have the connector. I did try to find some information on this thing, but I couldn't find any info. The black blob, here on there we have the, I think it's more like the ROM files and all the other software. AV out, a micro USB. There is nothing very special to see over here. So I see here it's made in 2018, so it's all released from the same time. There is no other, let's say, information on this main board, so this is what we're going to get. Of course, there is some information on this chip. I did try to use Google with searching for some information, what it does, but I couldn't find any information. So if you know something about this one, I really love to know, and drop it in the comments. So that concludes this little teardown video. I specially made these for the people here in the Wicked family who really loved the teardown videos. So there was a little bit of a quick look into this Powkiddy Super Mini MD K8 Sega clone system. So let me know what you think of this, really love to know. Want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the little bell, and if you're into gaming, check out the gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.